Hello friends, welcome back to this lecture series of the module Fuels and Combustion. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about calorific value of fuel. So let's get started. Calorific value is the most important property of fuel because efficiency of any fuel is judged by its calorific value. The definition says it is the total heat liberated when a unit mass or volume of fuel is burned completely. So when you burn unit quantity of fuel like 1 gram or 1 kilogram or 1 liter, heat will be generated, and that heat energy, if we measure in calorie or kilocalorie, we will get calorific value of this fuel. Now when you measure the calorific value, again two terms comes. First, that is higher calorific value, or also called as gross calorific value, called HCV or GCV, and second, that is lower calorific value, or also called as net calorific value, called LCV or NCV. The main difference between HCV and LCV is heat of evaporation. In case of HCV, we count heat wasted for evaporation of water, and in case of LCV, we don't count heat of evaporation. If you don't know, latent heat of evaporation is heat required to change 1 mole of liquid at its boiling point under standard atmospheric pressure. As we know, when we burn fuel containing hydrogen as one constituent, gives water as product. This water molecule absorbs some amount of energy produced during combustion and gets evaporated to vapor phase. And this heat absorbed is called latent heat of evaporation. Now, if we count this heat of evaporation during calculation of calorific value, we called it as higher or gross calorific value. And if we don't count heat of evaporation, we called it as lower or net calorific value. Here you can read the definitions. HCV is the total amount of heat produced when unit mass of fuel has been burned completely and the product of combustion have been cooled at room temperature. And definition of LCV is the net heat produced when unit mass of the fuel has been burned completely and the products are permitted to escape. So you can see here LCV is equals to GCV minus latent heat of steam. That means GCV is always greater than LCV. Remember this. So we can measure calorific value of fuel as calorie or kilocalorie per kg. I hope you understood the concept of calorific value. That's it for now. See you next time.